We guide you through how to reset your Instagram algorithm so your feed, explore page, and Reels recommendations start showing what you actually want to see again. First thing you need to do is to open your Instagram and go to your profile, tap the three lines, and open your activity. Here, select interactions, then like and start unliking old posts that no longer match your interest because Instagram uses those signals heavily. Next, go back and open save and remove any collections or posts that no longer represent what you want the algorithm to learn. After that, return your home page, tap the Instagram logo, switch to following feed, and use this for a few days so Instagram relies on your real interest instead of suggested content. Then, open the Explore page, long press any post you don't like, and select Not Interested. Do this repeatedly to clean up your recommendations fast. You can also go to Settings and Privacy, open Suggested Content, and tap Interested or Not Interested to refine what type of post Instagram should or shouldn't show. And finally, start interacting with content you genuinely enjoy, liking, commenting, and watching full reels because positive engagement teaches the algorithm what to push to your feed, helping you fully refresh your Instagram experiences.